India has emerged as the leader in the Asia Pacific data center industry, excluding China, surpassing countries like Singapore, Australia, South Korea, Japan, and Hong Kong in terms of installed capacity. This reflects the escalating demand for data services in one of the world's fastest growing major economies. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. India is rapidly establishing itself as a leader in the Asia Pacific data center industry with an installed capacity of 950 megawatt and an anticipated addition of a further 850 megawatt by 2026. India is set to outspace many major APAC countries in this sector. This growth trajectory is bolstered by substantial investments amounting to $40 billion in funds dedicated to expanding and enhancing its data center infrastructure. In 2023, over 85% of the $27 billion committed investment was directed towards the development of hyperscale facilities. This rapid growth is expected to continue in 2024 with planned supply exceeding 330 megawatt across various cities. These funds are likely being allocated towards building new facilities, upgrading existing infrastructure, and incorporating advanced technologies to improve efficiency and security. Having said that, India's digital economy is expanding rapidly with increasing internet penetration, the proliferation of smartphones, and a surge in digital services and applications. This creates a robust demand for data storage and processing capabilities. Secondly, supportive government policies and initiatives such as the Digital India program aim to boost the country's digital infrastructure. These initiatives often include incentives for data center investments, streamlined regulatory processes, and support for the development of reliable power and connectivity infrastructure. The total floor space stock for data centers in India reached 16 million square feet in 2023. Data centers remain among the top three preferred alternative assets for investors in the Asia Pacific region, including India. Global investors retain a keen interest in the Indian data center market, with many exploring partnerships and joint ventures with local operators. M&A activity among operators is expected to rise in the coming years to address the growing number of players in the market. The growth is complemented with the growing integration of cutting edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and renewable energy sources is enhancing the efficiency and sustainability of data centers in India. This not only reduces operational costs but also aligns with global sustainability goals. With these factors in play, India is poised to cement its leadership credentials in the Asia Pacific data center business, providing a robust, scalable, and secure environment for data storage and processing that can support the region's growing digital needs. Let's look into today's headlines. Yotta appoints Anil Pawar as Chief AI Officer. Yotta Data Services has announced the appointment of Anil Pawar as the Chief AI Officer and Head of AI Cloud Business Unit. In this capacity, he will lead strategic endeavors within the AI Cloud BU with a focus on leveraging AI, cloud, and platform technologies to foster innovation and deliver significant value to customers. In his newly established position, Anil will play a pivotal role in shaping and executing Yotta's AI strategy, leveraging emerging AI technologies to enhance customer integration and employee experiences in a responsible, trustworthy, and secure manner. Google releases Android 15 Beta 2 update. In order to ensure that icons stay on the home screen and address a bug with the new private area functionality, Google published Android 15 Beta 2.1. This is a tiny update that just fixes the icon problem. No other changes are significant. The update will begin to be sent to eligible pixels. The initial download size for users upgrading from Beta 2 can be higher, but subsequent checks should produce a considerably smaller update. Elon Musk presses X's child safety safeguards while criticizing Instagram. In a recent Instagram post, Elon Musk sparked controversy by claiming that his platform, X, has better safety safeguards against the exploitation of children online. Musk's declaration: share photos of your family on X. We are more concerned and proactive in combating child exploitation than any other platform, generated debate. Pine Labs received permission from the Singapore court to move its headquarters to India. Pine Labs, a merchant commerce platform, has received consent from a Singaporean court to combine its Indian firm, Pine Labs Private Limited PLI, with its local entity Pine Labs Limited PLS. At this point, all PLS shareholders will also become PLI stockholders. Pine Labs is the third financial company to shift its headquarters to India after Grow and PhonePe in doing so. Government warns Apple users of a severe risk when using their iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Multiple vulnerabilities affecting Apple devices have prompted a high severity alert from Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN). The alert, identified by the code CIAD 2024-0027, identifies a number of vulnerabilities that seriously jeopardize the security of iPads, Macs, iPhones, and related software ecosystem. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.